Here's how you can make the spiciest kulfi in the world. The spiciness is infused in the milk. Let's try a jellyfish. Oh, I don't think I washed this properly because it's really salty. Oh, that's also really salty. Let's try vegan steak. Oh, it's like a nasty spam. Let's try the stinkiest fish in the world. Oh, I don't know why it's fizzing. It honestly smells like a porta potty. Here's how you can make pop rocks. Oh, what the hell? This is a fail. This doesn't pop. Let's try Vimto. Oh, okay. Oh, come on. This smells like cough syrup. Man, it really is quite similar to cough syrup. It's also reminding me of Red Bull because Red Bull also tastes like cough syrup and I hate Red Bull. Here's how you can make bubblegum kulfi. I don't even know if this is edible. Can you swallow gum? It's a weird feeling. It doesn't feel right swallowing it. Let's try fish sausage.
Ew, what is this? What's rubber? Look funny.
Here's how you can make a protein bar. It's not bad. It's a weird texture. It's not the greatest, but it's definitely not the worst. Here's how you can make tandoori turkey and kind of mess it up. Oh crap, it's a bit dry. Damn it. I also remember checking the internal temp and apparently it's supposed to be 165 and this was minimum 180.